Hey guys, it's Brian with Frostbite Off-Road. We're back in the garage with the JL. Today we're actually going to be working on the axle swap we're going to be doing. We have a Rubicon rear axle we're putting in this Jeep. We're going to be putting a truss on. I want to go ahead and show you guys how we did that, and then we're going to get it cleaned up and painted today. Get it ready to put in the Jeep. Let's go ahead and take a look. Okay, after getting a couple good coats of Steel It on the truss there, it's ready to go. So we're gonna go ahead and load it on up in the truck and head on over to my buddy Kevin. He's gonna get this welded up for us. Should turn out pretty good. We're gonna start by cleaning up the axle. We're gonna grind down the spots where the truss is gonna make contact with the axle, just so we have some nice clean welds. Let's go ahead and show you that real quick, and then we'll let Kevin get to work. And one thing to remember while you're welding this, guys, is it is pretty important to go ahead and move around on the axle a little bit. You don't want to stay in one section too long and cause any warping. Okay guys, we got our axle back from Kevin's shop, got it all welded up. He did a great job. Looks like we got pretty good penetration on all that. It was his first time welding a truss, but definitely not his first time welding. I think it turned out pretty great. We're gonna go ahead and grind down the welds a little bit. We're gonna clean up the whole axle and we're gonna repaint it. So let's go ahead and show you guys that. Okay guys, we went ahead and ground down some of those welds. They were pretty nice looking welds, but I did go ahead and smooth out some of the rougher ones. Didn't want to take away too much material because we still want the strength there, but I am going to clean it up a little bit so it looks nice. We're going to go ahead and get this prepped for paint, and then we'll show you what it looks like when it's all done. Here we go. Okay guys, we went ahead and got the axle all cleaned up. We wiped it down with some alcohol. Got it as clean as we can get it. Now we're going to go ahead and throw some paint on it. We're going to use the VHT roll bar and chassis paint. This stuff's pretty cool. It's a higher temp paint and it looks pretty nice. I used it on my front axle when I did that. The Steel It worked pretty good. For the inside of the truss, it did bubble up a little bit, but it was a lot better than regular spray paint when you're welding. So that was good for inside to prevent rust. We're going to go ahead and make it look nice on the outside with this VHT, and then we'll show you what it looks like when it's all done. All right, let's get after it. All right guys, here we go. I really do like how this satin black VHT paint looks on axles. We're going to go ahead and do 3 coats on this one. They call for 2 light coats and then a medium coat. You want to do them all within an hour. That way it cures like they want it to. So let's go ahead and we'll wrap that up and we'll show you guys what it looks like. All right, so we're all done with our third and final coat of VHT. The axle looks great. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. This is going to wrap up this quick video about how we installed our truss on this Dana 44 Rubicon rear axle. We're going to go ahead and assemble it on our next video, so to make sure you don't miss that, we got chromoly shafts, we got Rubicon brakes, we're doing all sorts of stuff on that, so you want to check that out. Let's go ahead and take a look at how it turned out and we'll wrap this up. Okay guys, that's going to do it for getting the Artec Apex truss on our Dana 44 Rubicon rear axle. We showed you how to grind it down, get it painted, and my buddy Kevin welded it up. So now it's ready for us to go ahead and assemble it, and then we'll get it under the Jeep. We've got more videos with the install coming up on this axle install series, so make sure you're subscribed. Go ahead and like, comment down below, let me know what you think, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks guys.